Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the two different barrels look like side by side each other. So one side I'm going to do one of the curling iron and the other one I'm going to do the other one. And today I'm going to show you the hot tools, and then the other one is the Remington. So I initially bought this one first and I love it. The only thing I didn't like about it is that my hair was getting caught between the plastic part and the metal part. The great thing about this is it has this little piece right here where you can hold on to your hair. I actually don't hold on to it, so I don't feel like there was a need for this little part. So I'm going to show you the two differences and then you can decide. So I already put my argan oil into my hair and I'm putting on the KENDRA thermal styling spray after. Just quickly spray it all over. Kind of gets everywhere and it's a little bit sticky with this thermal spray. I'm going to do this side, the hot tools, and I'm going to grab inch wide hair strand, and all I'm doing is just doing a figure 8 wrap around, and at the very end I'm just going to hold it still. It gets really hot. So the gloves, I really feel like it gets a little bit hot. I can still feel it, but it doesn't burn. So let's do this one. And I have both of the curling irons on full blast, so the heat setting is totally cranked up. So that is the hot tools. So I'm going to do the Remington same way. So I'm going to do the same thing. And you honestly can mix this around however you want to do it. You can wrap it like this, you can wrap it like this. Let me just show you. So you can wrap it around twice, the same barrel, and then go to the next. So it's totally up to you. I like it symmetrical, so that's my preference. Kind of feel like my hair just got ripped off right there, so. Okay, there, it caught onto my hair right there. See? That's what it likes to do. It's honestly not that big of a deal to me. Like, I'm okay with losing a couple of hair strands. Okay, so that is the two. My hair got snagged 2 to 3 times, but it wasn't painful, so it was totally fine. Looking at the two, seriously look the same. So I'm just going to start separating this side first and see what it looks like so you guys can tell. It really looks really similar, but this one looks more symmetrical. And this side looks symmetrical, but looks a little bit looser. Gosh, I thought I loved this one a lot, but I'm hands down, I'm always a hot tools girl. So, and I'm just gonna finish off with some mousse by KENDRA. And this is the Volume Mousse Extra 17. And all I'm gonna do is just run it through. This is the Curl Up Control Cream by KMS. Okay. It's not in this orange bottle anymore. I think it's in some type of gray bottle. I just put a dime size. Sorry, my hair. And their product feels a little bit heavy at first, but when it settles in, it feels lightweight. That's what it looks like with product. So here's the hot tools, and here's the Remington. The Remington is on the side, hot tools on this side. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully you guys can figure out which one you guys prefer to buy or want to buy in the future. You guys have a great day. See you!